Welcome to Be Yoke, Be Your Own Guide. This is day 24 of the 30-day morning meditation series, and this morning's practice is an invitation to you to begin your day with calm and clarity, grounded clarity. You are here to deeply connect, root within yourself, to step into your day aware, aligned, and grounded. Let's begin the practice together. Find a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to lengthen upward like a strong and supple tree. Shoulders soft, hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. Belly soft like a baby's. Closing your eyes if that feels comfortable. Or simply lowering your gaze. Now taking a low, slow, long inhale through the nose. Feeling the breath expand into the belly and your pelvic floor, expanding the entire body. And then gentle, slow, paced out exhale through the mouth with a sigh. Whew. And once again, breathing in deeply into the belly, into the pelvic floor, allowing the body to open up and expand. Then with the exhale, fully allowing all of the breath to leave, taking along with it anything that's not needed, allowing the body, allowing your being to arrive in the here and the now, in this present moment. Bringing awareness now to the natural rhythm of your breathing, of your body's wisdom, and witnessing the coolness as you inhale and a gentle warmness as you exhale. Nothing to do, just witness the inhale and the coolness and the exhale and the warmth. And with each breath, allowing yourself to land into yourself more fully, into the presence of the present moment. This moment, this present moment is where your clarity lives and thrives. Now allowing for these next few words to gently land within, and if it's okay, allow them to deepen, get embodied within. And maybe even repeat these words silently if that feels okay. With this breath, I arrive. Taking in a deep breath and letting it go. With this breath, I see clearly. With this breath, I am grounded and rooted within. With this breath, I am safe, I am okay. Allowing the words to settle into your physical, energetic being. Now gently bringing to your mind the day ahead. Not necessarily the to-dos, the tasks, or the obligations. Instead, bringing in the feeling that you wish to carry through the day, immaterial of the doing that you engage in. And so the feeling that you intend to carry as you continue with the day ahead, maybe calmness, maybe focus, maybe kindness, maybe grace, or something else. Just taking a moment to allow this feeling that you intend to carry to emerge in your being. How do I want to feel as I move along this day today? And as you breathe in with every inhale, invite this feeling into your body now. Allow this feeling to get embodied in your being. Imagine it spreading softly through your gut, your belly, your chest, your heart chakra, your entire upper body, your torso, the upper torso, your pelvic floor, your hips, and the entire lower body, allowing this intentional feeling to spread and be embodied in your being as much as it does. No force, no pressure. Just allowing for the body to receive what it's ready for now. Bring to mind you're not here to control the day. Control is an illusion. And so you are here to walk through the day-to-day and life with full, complete awareness and presence, moment to moment to moment. Allowing your being to receive and allowing the being to heal and grow and evolve. Allow a few quiet breaths to anchor this intention within you. Feeling it settle deep within your muscles, your bones, your energy. Let your breath be your guide, your steady companion through any noise that your mind might be making in this moment. And allowing these next few words to settle in. I choose clarity. I walk with presence. I begin with intention from within. Read these words into your being, letting them land gently. And as we begin to prepare to close, bring awareness to your physical body, to the physical space that you're sitting in, and take a moment to align your inner world and the outer world. And as you breathe in, allowing space within your inner being, and as you breathe out, allowing integration of the within and the without. Gently, maybe now moving your fingers and your toes. And when you feel complete for now, opening your eyes, bringing back to awareness your intention for the day. You're ready for the day, you are centered, you are clear, and you carry this feeling with you no matter what. Until the next practice, may you be safe, may you be intentional, may you be happy, may you be well. Take care.